Hello everyone, welcome to Investor's Mindset. My name is Sean, and today we're going to do things a little bit differently. Today we're going to talk about dividend investing. So before I talk about dividend investing, I wanted to kind of preference you guys into the types of stocks that you can invest in the stock market. So there are three different types of stocks that you can invest in. The first being ETFs, which are a group of stocks in one company. And the second are growth stocks. So growth stocks are things like Tesla that reinvest all their profits in their company to grow as fast as they can. Then the third is dividend stocks. So what dividend stocks are companies that pay you a percentage of revenue every quarter just for holding the stocks. And that's what we're going to be focused in today. So why should you even invest in dividend companies? Is dividend investing right for you and your portfolio? And when is actually the best time to buy dividend stocks? So when thinking about any type of investing, you should weigh the pros and cons of every investment. So some of the pros about dividend investing, I would say, is that you get paid consecutively like clockwork every year or every quarter. You can expect some type of dividend payment in your account. Another thing is dividend investing is relatively stable in comparison, or less risky in comparison to other investments. So they even have something called Dividend Aristocrats. And what a Dividend Aristocrat is basically a company that has consistently over the past 25 years raised and paid out their dividend. And when I was looking at some of the companies on the list, which you can see here, companies like Coca-Cola, Chevron, and Clorox are all on this list and considered dividend aristocrats. Some of the cons to think about when considering dividend investing is that you won't make a lot of money initially because your portfolio is not that big when starting off. And so the return on investment might not be as much as in growth stock investing. Other cons to think about is if your dividend gets cut. We're still in a pandemic, and sometimes companies reduce their dividends or even cut their dividends in total to continue reinvesting that money in the company for a time period. So is dividend investing good for you? I would say if you have a large sum of money and you don't want to think about investing, you just want to invest your money somewhere and not have to worry about it, dividend investing might be the way to go. However, if you don't have a large sum of money and you're trying to grow your account particularly fast or in a short period of time and wanting to take more risk in your investments, I would definitely say dividend investing might not be for you. So when to invest in companies that offer dividends? I would definitely say, like any investment, make sure you do your homework. I would look at the past 6 months, the past year, even the past 5 years to make sure that company's headed in the direction that you want them to head in. Next, I would Google a company's dividend history. This is done by doing a simple Google search of a company's dividend history. It shows if they've even consistently paid out a dividend, how much they've actually paid out, and the dates that they've actually paid out past dividends. I personally like investing in companies that offer dividends after they've paid out a dividend. For me, I found that this is when their stock price is the lowest and the best to get in. That was a little bit about dividend investing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for tuning in to this episode of Investor's Mindset. Again, my name is Sean, and as always, peace, love, soul, and like and subscribe. Thank you.